Right now, I'm going to take a look inside the box of a Havit Fortis stainless steel garden spotlight. You're watching Sunshower TV. So here we have our Havit Fortis. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we have our globe. Let's take a look inside. Okay, we've got our plastic covering our fitting here. Beautiful stainless steel finish. Look at that. Of course, your light source, your globe goes in here. You just unscrew like so. Just put that back on. Right there. We've got our installation instructions as well as our stainless steel spike as well. And that's it. Links to all the products are in the description below, and if you found that video useful, please give it a like and subscribe on YouTube. And better yet, if you've got a project on the go, head to Sunshower Online. We'd be happy to help.